It's time to introduce you to Bourbon's riff on the Negroni with this remarkably simple cocktail. Today we're making the Boulevardier two ways. And if you're new here and enjoy these short and to the point cocktail videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. And on that note, let's head to the bar and make this. For this cocktail, of course, you're going to need bourbon. Additionally, you'll need some sweet vermouth. I have this Antica formula and it's one of my favorites. And traditionally, you'll need Campari, but I'm also comparing it with Aperol. I personally enjoy comparing Italian aperitifs because the flavor profiles are so different, and this is what honestly makes the cocktail. And the tools I need for this cocktail are a mixing glass, a long stirring spoon, and a julep strainer. And the glasses I'll be using are my new Negroni glasses. Everything I use in my bar as well as in this cocktail are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the Campari-based Boulevardier first, I'll need the mixer. Add in 1.5 ounces of bourbon. Now add 3/4 of an ounce of Campari. And lastly, add 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth. Now add ice to the mixer and stir for about 20 to 30 seconds. And now strain everything into that chilled Negroni glass. Now let's set this aside and do the Aperol based Boulevardier next. Add in 1.5 ounces of bourbon. Now add 3/4 of an ounce of Aperol. And lastly, add 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth. Now add ice to the mixer and stir for about 20 to 30 seconds. And strain everything into a chilled Negroni glass. And there you have it, the Boulevardier two ways. Cheers. I'm personally gonna start with the Aperol based Boulevardier. I already know Campari is a bit too strong for me, so I wanna compare it to the Aperol one first. I can already tell this is a much more mellowed out drink. With Campari, that Italian aperitif really comes out first. And with this, I'm getting more of a bourbon, vermouth, Aperol, evenly balanced cocktail. So I really enjoy this. So going to the Campari based cocktail, I mean, that Campari is just a kick in the mouth. I get people love this. I'm just not a fan of Campari, and I'm not sure if there's ever gonna be a way that I'm going to enjoy Campari to its fullest. It always leaves just a really weird taste in my mouth, and it's the only thing I can taste in a drink. Regardless if it's a 1/4 ounce, 3/4 of an ounce, or whatever, all I taste in this drink is Campari. So if I'm gonna make this drink, I'm going to be using Aperol, but let me know your thoughts. Do you like the Campari? Would you try this with Aperol? Either way, let me know. And additionally, if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. I put out new videos and shorts each week, and the support means a ton. But until next time, cheers.